Hi, Ellie here. I bought this oven a few days ago. It's arrived, so let's do our first cook in the Ooni Koda 2 Pro. Let's do it. I can't even imagine how big the Ooni Koda 2 Max is because this one, it feels huge. Thankfully, it's got a flat back area, but with the unboxing, got a little bit to show you because I had to put all of these bits together, so I'll quickly take you there. All I've done so far with this unboxing is remove the oven from the box and place the legs down, and that's it. I've read the manual thoroughly. If you know, you know. With the Ooni Koda 2, and I've also got some things to stick on the front of the oven, so let's do it. Facing that way, not that way. Right, now I'm going to attach these sensor things. Let's do that. That hole that it goes in, it's the one called A at the back, so I put it in A at the back. Wow, I got something right. The batteries went in right. 18 degrees Celsius today. The only thing left for me to do now is to get the stones in the oven, and then it's all set up. Blimey, these stones are super thick. I said lift them in so you don't scratch the front bit. Gap further up. I'm trying to close. It doesn't matter, actually it doesn't matter. My Uni Pro had bigger gaps and that was fine. I just thought maybe I could just close her up, but that's fine. So the stones are in. They're super thick and heavy, so be careful with those stones. Remove before use, do not look directly in the oven. And we are done with setting up the oven. Ah, keep it in. There. Whoa, look at that. Flames on either side. Impressive. Oh, that's very, it's like I love looking at the flames. They're beautiful. Wow, okay. That's on. I'm going to put it on full to heat it up. And we'll be back when it's done. Hey, we are at 354. I'm doing a time lapse of it. But I don't know if 355 is as hot as it is. Oh, look at the lovely even temperature on this oven. Again, same as the Koda 2. At the front 361, the back 383, the middle there 378, the front 365. Oh, that's really good. So I'll just show you my pizza as I'm waiting. It's been on for 35 minutes and the temperature outside is 22 degrees. It says on my little thermometer up there. 22 degrees. I will do a video on comparing these two different sizes. You can see there's a heck of a difference in the sizes. Yeah, don't fall off pizza. On 40 minutes. Okay, so we're at 4. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. I think that's okay. If I'm wrong, well, my base doesn't cook. Let's get this. Right, where do I put it? I'm gonna put it in the middle. Let's do it. Oh, already I made a mistake. I nearly crumpled it up at the top and I kind of saved it by pulling back a bit. I mean, it doesn't look too teeny weeny in there. I mean, I have made them smaller. It's not too bad. Right, which side is this going to cook first? How many times do I have to rotate it? Or do I have to rotate? I definitely have to rotate the front. Or should I have moved it to one side more than the other and cook pizza on one side? See, that's what I think I should have done. I think I've not done this properly. If you can see it there, I'm going to have a bit of a problem. I think I should do it like one side at a time. I'm going to learn from my errors on this, I can tell, very quickly. Wow. God, is that it? Is that done? Just checking to see because, oh, I'm going to melt my thermometer. Is that like done? All round is done. Yeah, I mean, if I put it in again, if I do it a little bit more, I might burn it. What do you think? Should I put it in? Too late? This is in the past now for you. I don't know what to do. Shall I try a little bit more? Will I regret it? I'm going to put for like 2 seconds. I don't know. Just in the centre. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, a bit more on the back there. I think we're done. Yeah, because look, the crust all round is done. So what do you think of this new oven? Do you like it? Do you like this new oven? Yeah? Yeah, I do. More pizza for me. He's happy. I think the middle is okay. Maybe I'll put it on one side next time because it's not that big. Oops. But yeah, it's come out really good. I put a load of mozzarella on there. The base cooked really well. Considering that I hedged the bet on the temperature of the stone, could have been a bit warmer. But I think it was okay. Not too much. Never want to overcook it. Fresh dough, made 45 minutes ago. I'm going to make a few more now, so I'm going to get on with that. I'm very impressed with this pizza. I love the way it cooked. I just want to show you the temperature after my cook. So the actual stone is 430, so it's ready for another cook. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos on the Koda 2 range. My first cook in the Koda 2 and comparing it to the Koda 16 and the Koda 12. And I will make future videos comparing this oven with all my other Koda range ovens. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.